Today, we celebrate the birthday of my father, our former President, Rodrigo Roa Duterte. To all the parallel support groups, volunteers, and the millions of Filipinos here and abroad who organized celebrations to honor him, maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang pagmamahal at katapatan. Your loyalty to him is a testament to a leadership that truly prioritized the safety and dignity of every Filipino family. But as we celebrate, we also stand firm. The defense of his rights is a defense of our national sovereignty. We must remain vigilant against the weaponization of the law and the unconstitutional intrusion of foreign bodies that seek to bypass our own courts. Our justice system must remain independent, serving only the mandate of the Filipino people and never the interests of foreign powers. To the Filipino people, thank you for being our strength. Through the storms and challenges, your resilience remains our inspiration. Patuloy nating ipaglaban ang dangal ng ating bansa. Mahalin natin ang Pilipinas para sa Diyos, sa bayan at sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Syukran.